Hi, I'm Wanda with Jimmy Branch Homestead, and today I'm canning green beans. So I have already removed the ends and broken up the beans, and I am currently just washing them and then putting them in a pot to boil. I'm looking for any bad spots that I might need to cut out. That I might have missed while I was breaking them up. Some of these got a little big. I try to get them, just a medium kind of thickness, not big. They're a lot more tender that way. Okay, so green beans can be either cold packed or hot packed. You can break them up into 1-inch pieces, which is what I like to do, or you can pack them whole just by removing the ends. So I'm in a hot pack today, so I just put my green beans on. Okay, there we go. And so I'm going to put them on heat and bring them to a boil, and then we're going to boil them for just 5 minutes. So this won't take long. In the meantime, I'm going to get my jars washed up. Okay, the green beans are boiling now, so I'm going to set my timer for 5 minutes. Okay, our timer is going off, so I'm going to turn the burner off. Oops. Okay. So we are going to hot pack these into my jars. I'm going to probably need a mitt out. And these jars have been rinsed in hot water so that I'm not packing boiling water into cold jars. And I'm using 1.5 today. They're a perfect size for my husband and I since there's only the 2 of us. Pints are never enough, quarts are too much. So 1.5. Okay, and we're also going to take the boiling water. Oopsie. And fill the jar up, leaving 1-inch headspace. Oopsie. Now you don't have to put any salt in. I usually do. It just gives them a little bit better flavor. If I'm canning in pints, I usually put in 1/2 teaspoon and 1 teaspoon in my quarts, but it is not required. And since I'm not doing quarts, I'm afraid 1 teaspoon might be just a little bit too much. And to each one, I'm going to add 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And I'll gently wipe the rim. Shouldn't be anything on there to keep it from sealing, but just to make sure. And we're going to twist it on and then just a little bit more, so finger tight. And we're just loosely packing, and again, leaving 1 inch headspace. Okay, that got me 6 jars. Okay, I gotta get my thing over here to put these in here better. The last one's about a half a cup shy on green beans, but that's all right. Okay, so we're gonna put the lid on and turn up the heat. Then once it comes to a boil, I'll bring you back. Okay, so I have a steady stream of steam coming out, so I need to set the timer for 10 minutes. I'll bring you back. Okay, our timer is going off, so it's time to put on the weight. This is a 10-pound weight. When it comes back up to pressure, I'll show you what that looks like. Okay, the pressure regulator is jiggling continuously now. So I would process pints for 20 minutes, quarts for 25 minutes. Since these are pint and a halves, we're going to go with the time for the quarts. So 25 minutes. Okay, our timer is going off. So at this point, we're going to just turn off the burner and let it sit until the pressure goes down completely. Well, it is the next day, and I am so happy to be putting these on my pantry shelf. We didn't get any green beans last year, so we have been completely out for a while now. So my beans are just now really starting to produce. Hopefully we'll get many more jars to put on the pantry shelf. So if you're enjoying this type of video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and share our videos on your social media. It's the best way that you can help our channel to grow. Thank you so much for watching Jimmy Branch Homestead. Take care and God bless.